We know that when we're installing a car seat using flexible latch, we want to grab the adjuster strap and pull to tighten while we push down on the car seat. So here I'm pulling to tighten, and I can get it a little bit tight, but as much as I try, there's still a lot of movement, because when I try to pull here, my hand just butts up against the car seat itself. And so I check my instructions to see if I'm missing something. And it reminds me, yeah, that's what I want to do. I want to pull there. So here's a tip for your pulling. A lot of times you want to remove the fabric or somehow get your hand underneath it so that you can get the strap to come through the belt path and back toward the inside of the car seat to the seating area. That way, when you push down on the car seat and at the same time then pull on the strap, you're actually going to efficiently make it slide through that adjuster because it's pulling directly from the adjuster. And so if I do it that way, where I'm pulling through the belt path hole, I was able to get that last bit of slack out, so it's a nice tight installation.